Welcome to the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Programs, a professional certificate program designed to create job-ready cybersecurity professionals. You will master in-demand skills, gain industry-validated credentials, and benefit from hands-on labs and expert mentorship. Let's look at the partnership overview. BIT Baroda is a practice-first engineering institute with strong industry alliances. The curriculum is aligned with IBM Skills Network and co-certified with IIT Patna for advanced modules. This program offers flexible delivery, including instructor-led training, with 24/7 access to the LMS portal and labs. The program produces job-ready cybersecurity talent with verified skills, a portfolio, and recognized credentials. The curriculum is 100% industry-aligned and designed for future leaders. You can choose between two pathways. The Foundation track, or Program A, leads to the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. It has 6 core courses and a 4 to 5 month duration. It is ideal for career starters and those seeking entry-level Society L1 roles. The Advanced track, or Program B, includes a 𝐂𝐮𝐢 certificate. It has 10 total courses with a duration of 6 to 8 months. It is ideal for ambitious learners seeking pen testing, threat hunting, and 𝐂𝐮𝐢 skills. Program A focuses on defensive security, compliance, SOC monitoring, and basic analysis, covering network security, database vulns, and SIEM and threat intel. Program B focuses on offensive security, incident response, architecture, and 𝐂𝐮AI, adding pen testing and forensics and generative AI for security skills. Program A is for career starters seeking entry-level roles, while Program B is for future leaders seeking a competitive edge with AI and offensive skills. You will master technical skills like society operations, SIEM and intelligence, network security, and vulnerability management. Analytical skills include threat analysis, risk assessment, incident investigation, and log analysis. Professional skills focus on communication, reporting and docs, ethics and compliance, and team collaboration, preparing you for modern cybersecurity roles. The program covers a comprehensive tool stack. This includes SIEM and monitoring tools like Splunk and IBM QRadar. Penetration testing utilizes Nmap, Burp Suite, and Metasploit. Cryptography involves OpenSSL and Hashcat. Forensics and IR use Autopsy and Wireshark. Cloud and OS security cover Linux, Docker, and AWS IAM basics. We also delve into 𝐂𝐮AI for cybersecurity, with prompt engineering and SOC copilots leveraging IBM watsonx. Our hands-on approach includes projects and labs like the Society Analyst Detection Lab, a vulnerability assessment, and web app penetration testing. Advanced projects cover ransomware incident response and 𝐂𝐮AI-powered threat hunting, utilizing tools such as Splunk, Nessus, Burp Suite, Wireshark, Python, and MITRE ATT and CK. The career pathways progress from an entry-level, 0 to 2 years experience, suitable for Society Analyst L1 or Junior, Cyber Analyst roles. Specialization, 2 to 5 years, targets threat hunter and penetration tester roles. The Advanced or Lead track, 5+ years, prepares you for security architect and society manager positions. Salaries increase significantly across these levels. The course progression roadmap shows the foundation track shared by both programs, covering cybersecurity fundamentals, tools, OS, network security, database vulns, and compliance. Program B branches into advanced specialization, including digital architecture, pen testing, forensics and IR, and 𝐂𝐮AI security. Completing these prepares you for advanced roles. The salary outlook in India is promising. Entry-level roles range from 6 to 8 lakhs per annum, mid-level from 10 to 18 lakhs, and senior from 18 to 25+ lakhs. Key influencers like location in Tier 1 cities, certifications, and domain expertise in fintech and SaaS can significantly boost compensation. The job market for cybersecurity is seeing high demand, with over 3.5 million unfilled jobs globally. In India, the market is projected to grow with an 18.3% CAGR, reaching $10.9 billion by 2029. Key growth drivers include AI-driven threats, increasing cloud security needs, and new privacy laws like the DPDP Act. We offer 3 learning delivery modes: instructor-led, ideal for students and freshers, with live sessions and a physical classroom option; Self-paced, perfect for busy professionals, providing 24/7 access to video modules and virtual labs via the IBM BIT LMS portal. Finally, the blended model, for career switchers, combines self-paced content with weekly live connects and one-on-one mentorship. The IBM BIT LMS portal offers a unified ecosystem. Features include single sign-on for seamless access and cloud virtual labs for hands-on practice with tools like Splunk and QRadar. You also benefit from real-time analytics, assignments and rubrics, discussion forums, recorded sessions, job board integration, and a certificate wallet for digital badges. The placement pathway moves from skill foundation to job offer. Our placement ecosystem includes internship support with MSSPs and SOCs, mock interviews, hackathons, and an alumni network. We guarantee 100% job assistance, partnering with over 50 hiring partners and ensuring students secure at least 3 interviews. The dual advantage of IBM and IIT Patna certification is powerful. The IBM Professional Certificate offers global recognition and validates job-ready skills. The IIT Patna collaboration provides academic credibility, research exposure through masterclasses, and access to an elite alumni network. This dual validation provides a 2-fold increase in interview calls and a 15% salary premium. This table compares the features of Program A, the Cybersecurity Analyst track, and Program B, the Analyst plus Gen AI Professional track. Program B offers more courses, covering advanced topics like security architecture and pen testing, plus a dedicated AI course. It includes advanced tools such as Metasploit and Burp Suite, and prepares you for high-growth roles like Threat Hunter and Security Architect. Both programs offer access to the IBM BIT LMS, virtual labs, and placement support. Let's explore who should choose which program. Program A, the Essentials track, is for quick entry, ideal for freshers and career switchers seeking Society Analyst L1 roles in 3 to 5 months. Program B, the Advanced Plus AI track, is for future-proofing your career, suitable for IT pros and graduates. It focuses on offensive security and Gen AI for roles like Threat Hunter and AI-Sec Engineer. A flexible bridge pathway is available to upgrade from Program A to Program B later. Our success stories demonstrate real-world career impact. Students like Pankaj Roy credit hands-on labs with tools like Splunk and QRadar for securing Society Analyst roles. 𝐂𝐲𝐿𝐻, a career changer, found the structured path made his transition to a junior penetration tester role smooth. Rahul Mehta chose Program B for the Gen AI module, which impressed recruiters for threat hunting. Many students achieve significant career pivots, including moving into new domains and receiving substantial salary hikes. Start your cyber career today with BIT Baroda. The enrollment process begins with a counseling call and a profile assessment. Next, we proceed to batch allocation and orientation, where you gain access to the LMS portal and meet your mentors. Scholarships are available. For more information, call or WhatsApp 9,328,994,901 or apply online at www.bitbaroda.com.